Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. In today's video, I am going to take you to the journey of City of Palace, Mysore. In Mysore, I am going to show you the Grand Mysore Palace. I must tell you, it was a wonderful experience. This is the entrance to the palace. The carriage used by the Maharajas, the ceiling, the artifacts, the tiles, all are mesmerizing. This is the corridor of the Kalyan Mandap. The glass roofing called mosaic is famous for its luminous and lighting effect during the day. Pillars are in Doric style, standing tall and majestic. The architect of the palace is built in Hosla style and the outer part has been built in Indo-Saracenic style. The total area of the palace is 72 acres. The building incorporated blending the Indian and the Western style. Many European designers and engineers were commissioned for the purpose of building. There are many wooden doors of this type in the old palace. These were some of the paintings done by many artists. This is the painting of Krishna Raja Wadeyar II, Kandirava Wadeyar. This is a huge size painting more than 10 feet. The detail of the dress, jewellery are remarkable. This is the painting of Marriage of Wadeyar King. Krishna Raja Wadeyar II's throne ceremony. This is the painting done by famous artist Raja Ravi Verma. The painting of Queen Alexander were created by Herald Steed in 1903. The cascades, invitation, mementos received by the royals while travelling or touring the neighbouring states. King Nalwadi Krishna Raja Wadeyar commissioned the famous artists of Mysore to make paintings depicting the Dashera processions on very thin canvas which was then mounted on the wall. These paintings, which are huge and have minute detail of the historical period, provide interesting insights into the bygone era of royal. This is the open place in the center of the palace. Now we are entering to the site of royal chair. The woodwork in the ceiling is astonishing. The silver chair, the carving and the detail of each and every small thing is marvelous. This bronze idol of tiger in front of the Mysuru Palace were made by Robert William Carlton of British Royal Academy in 1909. Some of the lamps were imported from Czechoslovakia. This is the statue of Krishna Raja Wadeyar IV, who was instrumental in construction of this palace. The statue is made of plaster of Paris. This new palace is built after the previous wooden building was gutted in fire, is also known as Ambavilas Palace. It was designed by Henry Irwin, who was designer and sculptor. The King of Mysuru took a keen interest in architecture and helped the Indian artisans to imbibe the essence and content of these styles. Some of the Indian designers and engineers were sent abroad to visit the building and get a first-hand impression and perceptions about such styles. They are said to have used bricks of size 50 cm into 10 cm. Fort building activity by the kings of Mysuru was an extension of the activity started by the royal dynasties like Ganga, Rashtrakuta, Chalukyas and Hoslas, which is considered to be the fourth phase in the fort building activity in Karnataka state. These wooden doors are carved and painted with white color. The fort built till and during this phase are referred to as the fort of Hindu order, as their design and construction conform to the Hindu texts and ancient scriptures, which laid down the procedure and modalities of construction. These are the ornaments used for the elephants for the Dussehra processions. It is handicraft by Kerala artisans from Thrissur. Sri Lakshmi Ramana Swami Temple. Night view of the palace. The palace illuminate is very popular tourist attraction. When the Maharaja was presiding over the Dussehra, he used to convene the royal court on 10 days of Dussehra. As soon as he sat on the throne, the whole palace was illuminated at that precise moment. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. If you like my video, do share this video to your family and friend. Okay friends, take care, bye bye. Thank you for watching.